Hi guys, welcome back to my channel The Little Talk. It's your girl Sang right here, and thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. So today's video is kind of a creativity that I'm trying to do, as I am all alone doing nothing in this whole quarantine days. I thought, why not, at least at the end of the isolation days, I am trying to be creative, please don't judge. Therefore, I am thinking of transforming my old clothes, which is this one, and with full sleeve, and it's a woolen material, but it's neither too thick nor too thin. So I thought it can be wearable in monsoon season when the weather is quite chilly. I'm gonna transform this. It's in a light blue color, and I love the color so much that I have also uploaded some of the photos in my Instagram. You can check it in my Instagram. So let's do this without any wastage of time. So the whole idea is that I'm going to cut this out into two parts, and the lower part will be like a tube top, and the upper part I'm gonna make it into a outerwear for that tube top. So I don't know how it's gonna be, but then I'm nervous. At the same time, I'm excited whether I will be able to turn this up or not. It's just mainly you might be wondering why I am, but it's because I don't have the scale anymore. I mean, like when we were in schools, we used to have lots and lots of scales and pens, but then right now I don't have any scale. So that's the reason why I'm using this as a scale, and here's my marker to mark things up and cut it out. Let's see how it's gonna be. Excuse me.
Guess what, bitch? Coronavirus!
God bless. Thank God the cutting part is over now. All I have to do is the stitching. This is it. But first I'm gonna have to prepare this up. And also I have collected a button from my old shirt to just put it like this. It's a 6 pieces. A kind of decorative thing which got in my mind. So I was almost done with my button. It's only one piece left. Look at this, how beautiful it is already. But I am out of my trade, so I have to do these things again. It will take a bit longer. I'm going to show you how I've been doing this. The last one left, and if only I had one more piece, it would be wonderful. Then I don't have it, so I have to do this. Then I can just round it up like this. So you can see, guys, how beautiful it looks already. Just one button here, it would have been wonderful. Doesn't matter. Now it's time to make this. I know it's like too big for me at the moment, so I have to stitch it out.
20 minutes later.
Okay, so I'm done stitching the tube. It took me around half an hour to stitch the whole tube of my size. And yeah, for the outer it didn't take much of a time. It's just that I had to cut it in the middle and then stitch all the button in line. So are you guys ready to see the end result? Here is it. Yes, this is pretty much it. The tube in my size, and then the outer. with all the buttons. Or else you can style this outer with any other tube with like black or white, whichever suits the color of the outer. So thank you for watching this whole video, and if you liked my creativity and especially this video, you can please click on the thumbs up button, and please do not forget to subscribe and click on that bell button so that you don't miss out any kind of notification for this channel. So I'll be coming up with more fun videos. Please stay tuned. Love you guys.